Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll get notified of each new video as they come out.
Hey everybody, I'm JJ Johnson. You're watching Reality Survival. So today I want to talk to you about the most likely cause for an SHTF situation to happen in your home, and that is house fires. The American Red Cross says that they respond to about 74,000 disasters per year, and 93% of those are related to house fires in one way or another. So statistically speaking, you know, it's very common. No matter where you live across geography, you know, it's not like hurricanes, which are usually only in certain areas, and, you know, ice storms, which are usually only in other areas. House fires happen everywhere. And the interesting thing about them, and the reason that I'm putting this video out now, is because they are always they're more likely to happen in the months of December and January. And so and that's, you know, I guess because people spend more time indoors, you know, and they're trying to heat their homes and, you know, different things like that. The leading cause of house fires is in the kitchen. The second leading cause of house fires is from heating devices such as wood burning stoves, or, you know, pellet stoves, or, you know, electric heaters and those kinds of things. So real quick, we're just going to run through, and I'm going to show you how I have the fire extinguishers laid out in my house, and talk a little bit about why I have them laid out that way, and show you what kind I use. So stick with me, we'll take a look. Okay, so I like to have these big 10-pound, I think this is 10-pound, it's either 5 or 10. Yeah, 10-pound fire extinguishers. I have two sizes, basically a 5 and a 10. And I have one that goes right behind my door, you know, right here in the bedroom. That way, if something starts when I'm asleep, I have access to something to be able to hopefully, you know, get out and get, you know, across the hall into my son's room to get him out, you know, or whatever the case may be. And I also have a smoke mask as well over in my nightstand, so that would help me breathe if it was a really dense smoke situation. So that goes right there behind the door. And you want to check those every September or so to make sure that they have plenty of charge and all that kind of stuff. I say September because that's when you're supposed to check your fire extinguishers, or fire alarms. Thank you. Let me turn this light on here. Okay, then the next one, and that one might be a 5-pounder, I'm not sure. We got down there, that's out here in the hallway. Again, because if I'm moving from one level to another and I've already exhausted the other can, I want to be able to grab that one on the way down. So then we've also got another one here in the kitchen. Where's it at? There it is. Another big 10-pounder. Again, facing them, you know, so that hopefully I can see the gauges without too much trouble. There's Xander chilling. We've got another one over here by the pellet stove as well, you know, not too far from it. That way we can get a hold of that. And then we've also got one right there as well, downstairs, close to the other wood burning stove that's not actually hooked up right now. So as I mentioned, it's important to make sure that you have fire alarms hooked up, and that you test those every September. You put new batteries in them, and then you have fire extinguishers laid out on each level of the house, and in a way that you can get, you know, from one place to the other, you know, kind of laid out in order, so that if you have to fight the fire when you're woken up in the middle of the night or something, then you can do that. Having the smoke escape hood is also a good idea. I've had past videos where I've also talked about fire blankets and fire escape ladders. Those are all good ideas. So I'll have some links to those products down in the description below. But I think that's, that's an important thing for people to get squared away, pretty early in the prepping journey, because these are much more likely to happen than an EMP or a zombie apocalypse or some nationwide grid down situation or something like that. Those things are all fun to talk about and pontificate on and all those kind of things, but house fires are something that happen. They happen a lot and they can be very devastating, so make sure you prepare for them. Alright guys, as always, I definitely appreciate it when you click a thumbs up, when you share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And don't forget to live the 6 Ps. Proper prior preparation prevents poor performance. Stay safe, guys.